So you guys asked for it, and today is the day. And you guys overwhelmingly voted for the underwater ROVs. There we go. This, my friends, is the brand new underwater ROV by FIFISH, model P3. 4K camera, all stabilizers, LED lighting on the front, and she's got some weight to her and some power. But the three main components of this system are the underwater ROV itself. This is the tether cord. So this is what connects the remote, which is this guy right here. So we put our phone in here and it has a wireless connection to the remote, and the remote has a wired connection directly to the drone. And the drone itself is rated to up to 100 meters, or just over 300 feet of depth. So that's going to be amazing. So those are the main controls on it. So it'll do this laterally, it'll go up and down, and it'll go forward and reverse. So, time to go diving. So the place we're going to take you for our first test of the new ROV is a small island off the southwest corner of Curacao called Klein, Curacao. And the water here is so sparkling clear, it's absolutely the perfect place to test the new ROV. Engines are working. There we go. Come back, baby. Of course, it did turn out to be pretty handy to go down and check out the mooring that we were anchored to, so that was kind of cool. But I think my favorite thing was when we put it in the water after dark and turned the lights on and all the sea life came out. I can tell you it was really cool, and that's something I'm looking forward to doing again. For the next test of the P3, I decided to take it out on a scuba diving expedition with our rally members. This one turned into a much bigger challenge than I had first imagined. Last diver jumped in the water, and now let's go diving and see what this thing can do. Speed approaching 60, and the bottom's about another 10 to 15 feet. The divers are just off my left, but I haven't been able to locate them yet. I'm still looking for the bubbles. But of course I found some coral and some cool fish, so that served as a distraction, and off we go. This is Thais, and Thais is the nice girl from Turtle and Ray Productions that accompanies on the dive to photograph the rally members. She was even nice enough to send me one of the pictures she took of the ROV. How cool is that? So if you're planning for one last test of the ROV, we're going to drop it in the water in the Anchorage here and go have a look at the anchor itself, because that's a primary use, I think, for a device like this on a sailboat. It's awesome to be able to just put something in the water instead of having to put a swimmer in danger by going to swim on the anchor in a busy Anchorage. And of course, that's where we are right now. You can see there's lots of boats around us, so the best idea is to test the ROV and go see how well the anchor's set. So we got it right here and gonna light her up. Control is very nice. It's very ergonomically designed to just sit right in your hands very comfortably. All the controls are ready at the thumbs. It's designed to accommodate any size of smartphone. You just push a button back here and it'll open up and allow anything in there. So the lens on it is fixed focus as well, but it does have a macro option, which is nice. So if you're up close to the coral and want to get a really nice crisp view of what's right in front of the device, you just hit the macro option. It's integrated right on the app. That's a nice feature. That's really cool. I will say that I've had a lot of communication with the company. They've always been right there at the ready. I had any problems, questions, anything like that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the review. Next video is coming soon. So I hope you all have a great day. Stay safe, and I'll see you out there.